What's up, everybody? Novelty back at you. We got a all vegan kind of stew going on here. As you can see, this is not cooked yet. I literally just added all the ingredients. I got mushrooms, carrots, tomatoes, garlic, onion. We got some serrano peppers. It's gonna be a good one. We got some tomatoes in there. Threw a little splash of this beer right here. So we'll see how that turns out. Literally a tiny splash, not much. Here's all my seasonings right here. You can see it in my first couple of videos. I go more in depth with it. Definitely got to hit it with the 2 different kinds of olive oil, cayenne pepper, sea salt. I use violet sea salt, but definitely sea salt as a staple. The one thing I forgot to add is actually some turmeric. I add a generous amount. Stir that up a little. I usually cook it over medium heat, and then I'll cook it on low for a while, let it simmer. I don't like it to be cooked to the point where it's all like, mushy. I still like a little crunch and flavor in my vegetables. For those of you who don't like the texture, I would just recommend cooking it longer. We'll let that simmer for a bit. Get these flavors knowing each other here. I'll even add a little bit of chili powder, just a little bit, because this brand I don't really like too much, but just a couple dashes, just 1 dash actually. A lot of people don't like spicy food, but once you can get over, the initial pain of it, and then you embrace it, you handle your high, it's very euphoric. Once the spice, get to know the spice. It's really good for releasing toxins in your body when you eat a lot of spicy food. Not shitty spicy food, not like hot Cheetos or anything like that, but I'm just trying a little experiment here. I'm gonna throw an egg on top of what I just made. I'm gonna cook it over easy. So what we got here, this is how it turned out. And then I'm just gonna throw an egg on top of this. So it'll be like a nice little, I don't know what you'd classify that, dinner or breakfast. Comment in my comments what you think this is. Would you eat this for breakfast, or would you save it for later in the day? I personally would save it for later in the day. Supplement of the day is going to be organic hemp powder. You can throw this in a smoothie and it gives you really good fiber and protein. It also is pretty good in omega fatty acids, which are healthy fats and acids for your body. 11 grams of protein for 4 tablespoons. It's you want to get the cold milled unrefined version. Once again, get quality shit. Don't go to Walmart. I mean, if you're really on a budget and you have to, I would just save your money and just eat well. when you have like some extra spending money, don't buy cheap supplements, you know. Alrighty, so that's pretty much all I had to say. Hope everyone has a good night, and it's Novelty. Peace.